How to fix Rebel verification failed. So if you're pretty much trying to sign up or log into Rebtel and see a verification failed error, it usually means the app couldn't confirm your phone number account. So here are some steps you can pretty much do to potentially fix it. So first you can check your internet connection, make sure it's stable, then enter the correct phone numbers. So make sure it's correct. There are no mistakes since a single mistake can alter the progress and the what do you call it, result. So you can then request a new verification code if the first one didn't work. So tap resend code in the app, and then if the SMS doesn't arrive, try the call me option if it is available. Or you could restart and install the app. This could clear up some errors. So close and reopen Rebtel. If the error continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. But other than that, you can clear cache in the Android. And if you're on iOS, you can reset the app. So go to settings, apps, then Rebtel, and then storage, then clear cache if you're on Android. But on iPhone, just offload the app and reinstall. So if you've tried that as well and if it still doesn't work, you can try another number. So if your sim is having issues, it could be the number itself having the problem. So try verifying with another active phone number or make sure your current sim is actually usable. Then contact Rebtel support if none of these work. You can go to help.rebtel.com or use the in-app support or the website since it is available and active. They can manually verify your account if nothing else worked. But hopefully one of these can, and if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.